Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This was Davido and Chioma leaving Nigeria immediately after their wedding, and it happens that this is the first time Davido is cruising his new private jet. You guys remember when Davido recently acquired a private jet which worth $75 million. Wow. Let's take a look at what the private jet looked like. Guys, Davido has money. This is when Davido went to pick up his private jet. This is the Bombardier 7500. Man, look at the interior. Guy, money is good. Money is good. Bro, are you looking at the interiors? Oh my god, this private jet is so beautiful. Davido 001 for a reason. Guys, can you see the interior? Oh my god. And this was the first time he's cruising this private jet. It made this obvious after he took to his official Instagram handle, leaving Nigeria for their honeymoon, and he used the capture which says, "Make we first launch this one." As you can actually see that this is the first time Davido is cruising this, launching this. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the clip. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on my next video. Like and comment on your thoughts below. Bye guys. Congratulations.
Answer me. I must see jet. Oh my God.